If you're looking to change icon colors in Practice Better, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make those changes seamlessly, and by the end, I'll also share some insider tips about other alternatives that might be better suited for your needs. So stay tuned. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Practice Better account. Once you're in, go to your settings. You'll find the settings option in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click that, and you'll be taken to the main settings page. Next thing to do is head to the branding section. This is where you'll be able to customize the look of your account, including changing your icon colors. Look for the Icon Colors option. This is where the fun begins. Here, you'll have the ability to select a color for your icons from the available palette. You can either choose from a preset range of colors or input a custom hex code if you already know the exact shade you want. Now, the third thing to keep in mind is that Practice Better allows you to make these color changes throughout the platform, but there are some limitations to the extent of customization. While it's great for personalizing your account to match your brand, you can only change certain icons, not everything. For example, while you can adjust the primary icon colors, some system icons might not be fully customizable. The fourth thing I want to point out is that this process, while simple, can feel a bit restrictive if you're looking for extensive control over the design. If you're running a large business or if branding is a big part of your strategy, you may find yourself wishing for more advanced customization options. In some cases, Practice Better doesn't quite offer the flexibility that certain other software platforms do when it comes to in-depth branding features. That brings me to the fifth thing, the limitations you'll face on the free version of Practice Better. While you can access the icon color changes, some of the more advanced features require you to be on a paid plan. So, if you're looking to make these adjustments at a higher level or unlock full customization, you'll need to upgrade your plan. So here's what I recommend if you want to go further than what Practice Better allows. There are some excellent alternatives out there that give you more flexibility with branding and customization without breaking the bank. These options not only give you more control over icon colors, but also provide deeper integration features that might suit your business needs even better. And here's the best part, I've got an exclusive deal for you. If you're ready to try Practice Better or any of these alternatives, do our link. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. That means you'll be able to try out these tools and decide if they're the right fit for you without any commitment. So, to wrap it up, Practice Better is a solid choice for changing icon colors, but has some limitations, especially when compared to other tools in the market. If full customization is your goal, you might want to check out these other alternatives as well. Just be sure to click the link below for your extended free trial and get the best deal possible.